Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for some Happy Mail unboxing. So a couple of these are Etsy purchase shares, and this Happy Mail comes from my super sweet friend Terry. Let's start off with this little package here. So this says made with love from Lucky Caps. So creating with Jovi's daughter Amanda started an Etsy shop selling some of these adorable keycaps. They're for your keyboard, for your computer, so you can customize them, and they have this really cute image. So my daughter Lil loves that stuff, and again I'm preparing a little package for her birthday, and I thought this was perfect. She loves frogs. So this arrived really quickly. The shipping was great. Look how cute this is. So she included some haikus. I'm gonna probably just leave it the way it is in terms of packaging so that my daughter Lil can see this. I'll just show you what this key cap looks like. How cute is this little froggy? So she is gonna love that. She loves frogs, so this is why I picked this one. Thank you so much, Amanda. I love it. And I see a few more goodies in this pink doily. She's included some really adorable stickers, and I did have a custom message request, and it says here, happy 18th birthday Lil, love mommy. So I'm definitely going to include that in the package. Thank you so much, Amanda. I love it. So the second Etsy purchase I bought is not a non-crafty item, but I love necklaces, particularly kind of like shell pearl type. So when I saw this, I just fell in love with it and I bought it. So it is from a store called Hedge. Relics. Look at this packaging. Isn't that pretty? And she has her little thank you note. And look at her cute hedgehog taco and tails. That's really cute. It says thank you, and she's also included 15% off your next item. That's really cool. And I think this is the invoice. So let's open this up. I love that tag. I love it when sellers also do some special wrapping when they send off the stuff that they send. I think it just adds a beautiful touch and a beautiful experience for your customers. So let's see. And you know I'm going to be using this for my junk journal. Here it is, guys. Oh wow. Beautiful. Let me just look at this, guys. A beautiful faux Tahitian shell and bead necklace. How pretty is this? Hold on, I'm just fixing the strands. It has a clasp, but how beautiful is this? I love it. I cannot wait to wear that. And on the clasp it said that this was made in somewhere here, I think Japan, if I'm not mistaken. At least that's what the listing had shown. And that was another thing that I liked about it. But what a beautiful necklace. Now let's open some Happy Mail from Terry. This is a little surprise in my box, so I wasn't expecting this. Terry recently launched her crafty kits, so if you missed that video of me unboxing the kit I bought from her shop, make sure to check it out. So let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, guys, just a preview. It is packed. I don't want to pull out everything. I'm going to see if I can find her letter. Oh my gosh, hold on. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my gosh, we have some cuties here. I just want to see if there's the card. Okay, found the card. We love Winnie the Pooh. And I have a little note from Terry. Let me just read this. Oh, Terry, so cute. So she said, "Hi, Kara, just wanted to let you know that you are in my thoughts. I'm so happy for this hot summer to end. I'm looking forward to our zine swap. Stay tuned for that, guys. I haven't decorated my pages yet, but what fun. Hugs, Terry." Oh, thank you so much, Terry. I love this. That's going in my journal for sure. Where do we begin? Let's start with this beautiful piece here. If you have not seen the project share she did showing how many she made from this wonderful fabric, it was so nice and easy the way she showed it, adding some lace trim and a button. Velcro closure, how cool is that? What is in here? Oh my goodness, Terry, thank you so much. So she had also punched out some circles and did some crocheting on these. How adorable is that? We have this piece here that you can choose to hang on there. Oh my gosh, Terry, you have so many wonderful ideas. Some burlap, and she's distressed it with some dictionary page. Love with all your heart. So true. And look at these miniature little quotes. Wake up and be fabulous. I love that. Living the dream. That is so precious. I love that. And then we have a bag full of these super cute items. Let me just see. Oh my goodness, Terry, these are so cute. We have some of these that would go well with your necklaces, but look at these adorable flat back goodies that she included in buttons. How adorable is this? Oh my gosh. Oh wow, thank you, Terry. This is too much. Oh my gosh. I love everything cute. Sorry, I'm saying oh my gosh a lot, but this is just too adorable. Look at this alligator with flower on the side of his mouth and this mushroom. That is so cute. We have more of these pendant bales that we can use for future projects. Look at this resin piece with the cherries. What a wonderful variety, Terry, that's so adorable. And then look at this panda and an extra one of those pendant bales. But we are not done yet. There are more goodies in here. Today's prayer, how beautiful. I will give thanks to the Lord with my whole heart. Oh, how pretty. Thank you, Terry. I love that. And more goodies. Oh my gosh, what is in here? Oh my gosh, guys, if you are new to Terry's channel and you're not familiar with her, she is such a sweet and generous friend. I mean, look at all these wonderful stickers and ephemera that she shared with me. I can use all of these in my junk journaling. Love that vellum piece. Thank you, Terry. There's more. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's a mini traveler's notebook journal, I think, but look at that adorable little bunny and a key charm. Oh my goodness, how cute. Look at that. We have a little pocket with some wonderful goodies. Love that. Flip up. Terry, this is just adorable. I keep saying the word cute, so we'll find other words here. But how stinking cute is this? I love miniature items, and She knows how much I love to journal too in my traveler's notebook, and this is perfect to carry in my purse. I don't like carrying a lot of things in my bag, and this is just the perfect journal. Oh my gosh. Look at that. How fun. More fun goodies here. Stickers. Oh wow. That is so pretty with her butterfly and flowers. And I love how she used some of these math workbook pages. That's really fun. And I love junk journals that have uneven pages, different sizes. And look, there's some tea time on the back there. I didn't even notice that at first. And composition notebook. Look at that mini envelope. Oh my goodness. Terry, oh wow, you spoil me. That's so cute. How cute is this? I'm gonna have so much fun journaling in this. So adorable. But there are more goodies in here. Oh yes, I remember this. So she shared this wonderful project where you use burlap and lace, and this makes a wonderful embellishment for your journals. Look at that. She put some mushrooms, a small little safety pin, and just layered this. And how pretty is that? I'm definitely adding that to my journal. That's so pretty. And what is this? Dragonflies. I love dragonflies. Terry had sent me a sticker from DT, but a different kind, and I love this. I have not seen this in my Dollar Tree, so thank you so much, Terry. Oh, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And what do we have? Yay! More tea. She did say she was going to share some tea. We really need to make a tea date very, very soon. She loves Earl Grey. I love it too. Blackberry, Cider, Digestive Awakening. Definitely going to try that. I love this one. I think she may have sent me one of these before, or was it Paper Kitty? But this one I love as well. Great for bedtime. Then we have Tasso. Always fun. And of course, True Blueberry caffeine-free Celestial Seasonings tea. That's super cool. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing. A big thank you to my dear friend Terry. I love, love, love this journal and all the wonderful items that you've included that I'm excited to include in my junk journals. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.